Kind of add on what we're talking about, Stan, in terms of teams that have won at least one or more games in the NCAA tournament the last 3 straight seasons. VCU is one of 8 teams to be able to do that.
Yeah, anytime you're in the company of Syracuse, Florida, Kansas, people like that, you're doing pretty well. And look, VCU has become one of the most respected programs in the country.
I mean, you don't see Kentucky, you don't see Louisville, you don't see Duke, on that list. I mean, that's crazy.
No, it really is. And it gives you an idea of the strength of this program.